Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. So let's start with the question. So the question is single number. Okay. So you are given a non-empty array and every element appear twice except for one. So you have to find that single element that is in the array and you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay, so let's see with an example. Okay, so let's take this example. 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this is our array. So as you can easily see, 4 is come at 1, 1 is as twice, similarly 2 also as twice. Okay. So we need to return that element that is single. So the output will be 4 for this case. Okay. So let's see how we can approach for this. Okay. So let's see the approach. What we can basically use is use a map. Okay. So let's create a map. This will be our map. Okay. So map will be of type of int and int. Okay, so we will start from here. Okay, every time we will see in the map whether it is present or not. If it is present, then we will increment it by 1. Okay, so we will take this 4 and insert this into our map and we will increase its value by 1. Okay, it will become 1. Similarly, we will go further. We will see for 1. For 1, what we will do, we will increase its value, it will become 1. Like all the values start from 0. Okay, so we'll go further. For 2, again it will also become 1. Now as you can see, we encounter again 1, so what we will do, we will make it as 2. Okay, similarly we will make this 2 as 2. After this, what we will do, we will iterate in our map and find that whoever has value 1, we just need to return that key. So for this case it will be 4. So if you compare the time complexity or space complexity for this, time will be order of n for whole array and we are using a extra map for this also. So this space will be order of n. Okay. Now in the question it's mentioned like you have to do in this order of 1. Okay. So this approach will not submit it. So let's try how we can do this in big of 1. So if you see the example, we can easily see like we need to find the unique element because 1 is coming twice, 2 is also coming twice, so we need to find unique element. So for the unique element, we have a property which is XOR. Okay. So if you know the XOR table, basically for the same element, let's write down first 0, 1, 0, 1, okay. 0, 0, 1, 1. So for the same element, it will give you 0, 0, 0, it will become 0. For 1, 0, it will give 1. For this 0, 1, it will give you 1. For 1, 1, it will give 0. So as you can see, for the same element, like in this 0, 0 and 1, 1 are same. So for this case, you are getting a 0. And for a different element like 1, 0 and 0, 1, you are getting a XOR as 1. So what we will do, we will take the advantage of this and do our question. Okay. So let's take a variable. Let's take a variable as answer. Start from 0. Okay. So what we will do, we will start with here. Okay. So at I equal to 0, what we will do, answer equal to 0. So your current element. Okay. So this will become this. Let's do, and this will be equal to, if you know 0 XOR 4, it will give you 4 only because with 0, if you do any XOR, it will become the same element. Okay. Let's do I equal to 1. Okay. So now answer is become 4 XOR 1. So let's keep it right it as it is. Let's go for like we are at here, at I equal to 2, our answer equal to 4 XOR 1 XOR 2. Okay. Similarly, let's go further. Answer equal to 4 XOR 1 XOR. We are at here. So it will become 2 XOR 1. So if you XOR the same element, it will become 4 XOR 2 because this and this will give you 0. So this will become 4 XOR 2. Okay. Similarly, let's do for I equal to 4. We'll move further. So answer equal to 4 XOR 2 XOR 2 Similarly, it will become 4 or 0 and it will give you 4. So as you can see, we get our output as 4. And for this, the space complexity is, we are just using a constant variable, so it will become order of 1. And as you know, we already solved this type of question in this Leetcode challenge, which is find a difference in the string. So you can check that out also. So let's write the code for this. Okay, let's take a variable answer equal to 0. Let's do an else loop over this nums. Okay, what we will do, answer equal to answer XOR e, and we just return our answer. Okay, let's run the code. Let's run. So this is accepted. Let's submit the code. Let's see whether it will submit or not. So as you can see, this is accepted. Thank you for watching my video.